mom with 7 babies, which is a hound and hard to get out of a shelter.
2 puppies that were found in a ditch line. They're about 8 weeks old. They were starving, full of worms. They were brought to me from Martin County.
I have 5 dogs today that I've brought, and if it wasn't for PAART, there's no telling where these dogs would end up right now. They could possibly be euthanized.
I'm so grateful for these guys. They come and get our dogs that's bound to euthanization, and now they're going to have forever homes.
8 lives were saved today because someone cared.
No more than we got these dogs placed. We got a call last night. There's another litter of 5 in Magoffin County and another litter of 4 in Martin County again, and it's just never ending. It's just never ending.
Please spay and neuter.